Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Dragonfire Burger. Alright, first thing we gotta do is make the sauce. So in this food processor, I have a half a cup of mayo, plus I added 2 tablespoons more of mayo. Then you want to take a garlic clove and mince it through a press. 1 clove of minced garlic. And now we need to add some chipotle peppers. Add at least 1, but I'm going to go for like 2, 2.5. Again, you want this sauce spicier, add more peppers. Common sense. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of adobo sauce. Don't worry, that's in the can with chipotle peppers. Again, you want it spicier, add a little bit more sauce. But when adding sauce, you kind of run the risk of maybe the sauce getting a little too thin. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to add just a pinch of dried oregano. Then you want to put the top on the food processor and let it do its thing. After everything's mixed together, basically you want to transfer this into a container, cover it, and let it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour. Now let's move on to making the burgers themselves. Okay, we got the patties on the grill. I'm seasoning them up with that burger blend from my local grocery store they make in-house. Pretty much any burger thing will do. You can even just go salt and pepper. If you're wondering how I get my burgers that flat, I basically roll out a 1/4 pound ball and then a couple pieces of parchment paper, plate, parchment paper, meatball, parchment paper, and then I press down, and kind of the divot that's in almost every plate, I kind of squeeze in between that, and they come out perfect 1/4 pound burger patties that won't become hockey pucks. All right, so about 4 minutes each side should be done. Let's zip ahead, and we'll finish these burgers off. All right, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. Now I'm going to put a slice of pepper jack cheese on each one of them, and give the cheese a minute to melt up, and then we'll take them on in the house. All right, time for assembly. Okay. You got our perfectly toasted bun right here, and we have some iceberg lettuce on the bottom bun. And now we're going to add our first patty. And then we want to add some sriracha to the first patty. Some pepper bacon, and because some people ask how to make this, I will leave the very simple recipe in the description. Then we want to have the other patty. More pepper bacon, because you never have too much bacon. And you want to add some of that Dragonfire sauce. Slather that on the top bun. And then we want to add a nice heirloom tomato. And always remember to salt and pepper your tomatoes. And then you want to add some spicy pickles. And put the top bun on. And that's it. That's the Dragonfire Burger. Done. But here's a nice little cross section for you to enjoy.